Hi everybody! Today I have Edie here with me, and she is going to show us our worm farm that we have at home. She just took the top off, and I'm going to show you the top. The top even has a picture of worms on it.
It's gonna recycle it.
And so over here, that might be a little bit better. Over here we have two stories, two different buckets of worms, and Edie's going to lift that one just to show you that there's two. Go ahead and put that one. Go ahead and put that one back, sweetie. And we're going to start at the top. And what do we notice before we dig in the dirt? What do we notice about the top? Before we dig in the dirt, what do we notice about the top? Let's see here. There's leaves. If you've already watched the video of the book that I read called Wonderful Worms, you'll know that they need leaves. They also need bits of plant matter. So in the worm farm world, you call it green and brown. So brown food are the leaves that are all dried up, and green food might be pieces of fruit or some other plants that are still living. And here you notice a lot of seeds and some plants that are even growing, like here. These come from a cantaloupe. When we put some cantaloupe in there, a lot of seeds ended up in there. I wonder if we could take them out and plant them outside.
I'll show them one of the worms.
All right, so we're going to move some of the dirt around. Edie, could you please move some dirt around? Maybe move the
Oh, found a worm.
right underneath there. There are some worms. Now you'll notice this word is little. Remember I talked about how we found some baby worms and I wanted to let them grow a little bit more before we looked in here. And that's one of the baby worms. Oh, she's hungry. Go ahead and put her back under the leaf.
Oh, under the leaf. Yeah, I found it over here. And then, so the ones on the top are like smaller worms, but on the bottom, there's some fatter worms.
Yeah, there are two different kinds of worms in here. Do you remember what they're called, Edie?
Earthworms?
Well, they're all night crawlers are the big fat ones. And the little ones are called red wrigglers. So they're a little bit smaller. The night crawlers tend to go much deeper down. So they're going to really eat up some of the dirt that's already been processed. And the red wrigglers are up here at the top eating all of this plant matter. So if Edie lifts up this part and we look in the bottom part, look at those.
Like, look how fat.
So big.
They're
and
so squirmy.
So fat. They're so much bigger than the other ones. And this is that nice, rich soil.
Yeah.
That
it's all squishy and moldable.
Yep. That the worms make. That is, you're right. It's a big pile of worm poop.
This is better for the these are better for the chickens.
Right, but we're gonna the chickens in the
we
winter time. We use
better,
in the winter time we use the worms to help feed the chickens. Go ahead and put that back on top. Because it's hard to find worms in the winter time. Remember, they go deep, deep, deep down into the dirt. But in the summertime, we just let them live and let them stay in there, and then they can give us some really nice soil. So thanks for looking at our worm farm. They're easy to take care of and they're fun to look through. Okay, say bye.